Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Soraya. I have 3 helpful tips for the beginner fluid acrylic artist, but even experienced artists will get benefit from these tips. So those are coming up next. Tip number 1, master the basics of a fluid acrylics. Before diving into complex techniques, take the time to understand the basics of fluid acrylic painting. Familiarize yourself with different acrylic mediums, such as a pouring medium or flow improver like Floetrol, which helps create the right consistency for fluid art. Experiment with various paint to medium ratios to achieve the desired fluidity in your paints. It shouldn't be too runny, it shouldn't be too thick. It should be just right. And additionally, practice creating consistent color mixes. So there are certain colors that blend well together, and try those before trying other more complex ones so that you get success right from the beginning. Tip number 2, experiment and embrace the unexpected. And it happens all the time. Fluid acrylic art is all about embracing unpredictability and the beauty of chance. Allow yourself to experiment with different pouring techniques such as a dirty pour, flip cup, or swipe. Explore various pouring surfaces like canvas, wood, or even ceramic tiles like I am doing here today. Don't be afraid to tilt, swirl, manipulate the paint to create those fascinating patterns and textures. Remember, mistakes and unplanned outcomes can lead to unique and beautiful results in fluid acrylic art. I have tip number 3 coming up, plus I have a bonus tip for you as well, so keep watching. Tip number 3, patience and timing. Patience and timing are vital elements in fluid acrylic painting. Once you pour your paints, give them time to interact and move across the surface naturally. Avoid over manipulating the paint, as it may lead to muddy or undesired effects. Pay attention to drying times, as different pouring techniques may require longer drying periods. Also, be patient during the curing process, as the colors may continue to shift and evolve even after the paint appears dry. I've made that mistake, so learn from me. Remember, fluid acrylic art is about exploration and enjoyment. Don't be afraid to try new things and let your creativity flow. With practice and persistence, you'll discover your own unique style and techniques in this really mesmerizing form of art. Happy pouring! This classic and sophisticated color combination is just so beautiful and timeless. These coasters got sold before they were practically dry, so I don't have a video on the dry results, but they were absolutely beautiful. These are so beautiful. I love them. Really, really beautiful. Can't wait to see how they dry. I'll show you back here in just 1 minute.